Hi, welcome to Future Technos. The wait is finally over. DJI has confirmed the Mini 5 Pro, and September 16th is the date when it all becomes official. For months, rumors and leaks had us guessing, but now things are real. Trusted insiders like Jasper Ellens and Igor Bogdanov have already given us glimpses of what to expect. The excitement is at its peak, and it is clear that DJI is about to set new standards for compact drones once again. The Mini 5 Pro is not just an upgrade. It is being positioned as a game-changing product in the sub-249G category. DJI has been very careful about keeping the weight below the limit that avoids strict registration requirements in most regions. That means you get professional-grade features packed into a body that remains small, light, and travel-friendly. At first glance, the design looks familiar, but small refinements tell you this is a much more capable machine. The big headline feature is the larger camera sensor. While the Mini 4 Pro already had a great sensor, the Mini 5 Pro takes it further with a 1-inch CMOS sensor. This makes a huge difference in image quality, especially in low-light conditions. Bigger sensors capture more light, and that means sharper details, better dynamic range, and less noise. Photographers and videographers who rely on drones know how important that is. Whether you are filming a sunset, a night cityscape, or shaded forests, the Mini 5 Pro will perform far better than its predecessor. Another key point is video capability. The Mini 5 Pro supports 4K at 120 frames per second, giving creators slow-motion options at professional quality. It also supports HDR video with up to 14 stops of dynamic range, which makes footage look more cinematic and natural. The addition of 10-bit recording gives editors more flexibility in color grading. DJI clearly wants this drone to serve not only casual users, but also professionals who want the best possible results from a compact setup. Photography also gets a big boost. The Mini 4 Pro was limited to 48 megapixel shots, but the Mini 5 Pro introduces around 20 megapixel output from the larger sensor in 12-bit RAW format. That means much richer files for post-processing. Whether you prefer JPEG for quick sharing or RAW for deep editing, the new drone gives you options. The gimbal system has also been upgraded. Now capable of rotating up to 225 degrees, it supports true vertical shooting. Social media creators will love this because it allows them to capture videos directly in vertical format without cropping or adjusting later. The result is smoother workflows for platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts. Battery life is another area where DJI has pushed things forward. With the Plus battery, the Mini 5 Pro can reach up to 52 minutes of flight time. That's almost an hour in the air with a single battery, which is incredible for such a small drone. Even with the standard battery, you still get up to 36 minutes, which is more than enough for most shoots. Longer flight time means less stress, fewer interruptions, and more freedom to capture the shots you want. Connectivity has been improved too. With OcuSync 4 Plus, the transmission range extends to 25 km under ideal conditions. Even under CE limits in Europe, you can expect up to 12 or 15 km, which is more than enough for safe operations. Add Wi-Fi 6 transfer speeds of up to 100 Mbps, and moving your footage to your phone or computer is faster than ever before. Safety has not been ignored. The Mini 5 Pro introduces advanced obstacle avoidance with omnidirectional sensors and a LiDAR system for improved precision. This makes flights safer, especially in challenging environments with trees, buildings, or other obstacles. ActiveTrack also sees an upgrade to version 6.0, which means smarter subject tracking, smoother movements, and fewer errors. For beginners, this is peace of mind. For professionals, it's about reliability during complex shots. Compared to the Mini 4 Pro, the Mini 5 Pro feels like a leap. It has better image quality, more flight time, smarter sensors, and enhanced AI features. The price is higher, but the improvements justify it. In Europe, the standard package is listed at around $819, with Fly More combos ranging from $1,029 to $1,159. In the US, we can expect something close to $799 or $899 for the base model and higher for the full bundles. Considering what you get, that is still reasonable. But DJI is not launching this drone in a vacuum. The market is buzzing with new competitors. One of the most interesting is the anti-gravity A1, developed by Insta360's new drone brand. Unlike traditional drones, the A1 is designed around 360-degree capture. It can shoot 8K 360 footage, which means you can fly first and frame later. That opens up entirely new possibilities for creators who want maximum flexibility. The A1 also uses advanced stitching to make the drone itself invisible in footage, delivering seamless immersive video. The anti-gravity A1 is lightweight at 249 Dr, just like the Mini 5 Pro, so it also avoids registration requirements in many regions. It is designed to work with free motion technology, goggles, and grip controllers, creating an immersive FPV-like experience. For content creators who focus on 360 storytelling, this drone could be revolutionary. Its invisible drone effect, combined with 8K clarity, is something DJI does not yet offer. However, DJI has strengths that are hard to beat. Their ecosystem, their flight stability, their safety features, and their proven track record make them the top choice for most users. The Mini 5 Pro represents DJI's commitment to dominating the sub-249G market by offering professional features in the smallest possible form factor. So which one should you choose? It depends on your needs. If you want immersive 360 experiences, infinite reframing, and experimental shots, the anti-gravity A1 is the way to go. But if you value proven performance, longer flight times, professional video quality, and reliable AI tracking, the DJI Mini 5 Pro will likely be the better choice. At the end of the day, both drones are pushing the industry forward. The Mini 5 Pro continues DJI's legacy of compact power, while the anti-gravity A1 redefines what's possible with 360 capture. For creators, this competition is a blessing. It means more choices, better innovation, and new tools to tell stories from the sky. September 16th will mark a new chapter for DJI fans. Teasers will flood our feeds, pre-orders will open, and soon we'll see the Mini 5 Pro in action worldwide. Whether you are a beginner just getting into drones or a professional looking for a portable powerhouse, this drone is shaping up to be one of the most exciting releases in years.